Hello, happy crafters. This is Sandy, and this video is going to walk us through my Service Essentials 4-page workshop, which really shows off the Nature Walk designer paper. So one thing you will definitely need is the Service Essentials stamp set. There's a lot of really great things in here that you'll be able to use to finish up this project. All right, so first, what comes in your kit? You've got all the cut pieces, the die cuts, everything you need to make this set of pages and this set of pages. And what do these create for you? All right. So with this layout here, you're going to take your green, tan, blue, and marbleized papers and parallel them so that they're kind of going across the pages at the same time together and flush really well. Then we've got this red stripe that you're going to cut down so that it is an arrow that's going to extend beyond there. It's going to be a little too long probably. Just tape it up to here and use your scissors and trim off. Then after you get those pieces in place, you've got your photo wells and your clusters. You've got a white piece in your kit to stamp these guys. So you're just going to stamp two of them together because it's just a set of three, but you need six. So you're just going to stamp two of them together twice and cut those out. That stamp also here, we only have two. What I did was just took the stamp and the third one I stamped off the page so you get just the two. These right here are just going to get stamped and then they tuck behind this piece. Again, here, there's one in the red. Just move it up so you stamp just one. So that explains those clusters. This one's a little tricky. Watch out when you're stamping it. You really want to get perfect inside so that those teeny tiny little balls for the chain on the dog tags line up. And then I did the stars. You'll want to start in a corner and work yourself down, around, all the way over if you're going to do the stars. So that's that set of pages. Then on this one, same concept where we've got our strips all running across, but these ones on the top and the bottom are a little bit different, and this one's a little bit different. These are all 11 inches, so or 12 inches, so you're going to either roll them down, cut them down, or tape them and cut them here so that you've got some space all the way around the edges. Now this curling, what I did, and I'm just going to use the same sample I just used on another project, is you're going to just use, I think a paintbrush works best because it's nice and thin. And you're just going to roll the paper around the paintbrush. It might take a few times to get it going, but you're going to roll and you're going to roll way past where you think you need to be. So then you're going to put the paper down and tape it all the way to where you want it to stay. So it's taped, right to here to make sure it's going to stay right there. Dovetails there. Then we've got our photo wells. I rubbed ink over top of these these three embossed pieces. It's done in the stone and ivy. Stamp whatever you want to stamp. I used the white gel pen to create some extra little imaging on that circle. That circle, that circle, they've all got it. Some of that little burst stamp that I did on either end of those. Let me bring that up close so you can see. And then I just did a little pen mark in the middle of each of them to give it some accent. That's it, my friends. Isn't it fun? Beautiful. Love the Nature Walk paper. And it's only available while supplies last. So if you like this paper collection, get it while the getting's good. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think.